Quizzes are a great way to track and monitor understanding of concepts children have been taught using Purple Mash. When a quiz is being set, you can decide if you want this to be a quick quiz or in test mode. In quick quiz mode, questions are answered one at a time, marked immediately, and the users can be allowed to retry and check correct answers. In test mode, questions are still marked automatically, but no retries are allowed. It is also in quick quiz mode that if a feedback slide has been created, this will become visible once the children have tried the question for the first time. This will not be seen in test mode. When clicking through the To-Do Setup Guide, you are able to add national curriculum objectives that you think would link well to the quiz you have created. In this case, as it is a maths quiz for a Year 4 group all about measurements, I'm going to add the objectives for finding perimeter and finding area. Once you've set your quiz, you'll find it in your To-Dos tab. If the completion date has passed, you may need to go to the Past tab to be able to view the data. Once the quiz has been completed, you can click on View Data, which will take you through to Data Dashboard. In the Data Dashboard, you can see the percentage score for each child who has completed the quiz. And by clicking on the plus next to their raw score, be able to see which questions they have answered correctly and when they submitted the quiz. Along their data line, you will also be able to see how long it took them to complete the quiz, and their accuracy percentage will be color-coded. If you want to view this data in the future, you can either find it again through your past to-dos, or by going straight to the data dashboard, clicking on scores, then to quiz, and by choosing the correct activity. If you added national curriculum objectives to a quiz, or you are looking at a quiz that's been set up straight from the computing scheme of work, where the national curriculum objectives are pre-added for you, then from your To-Dos tab, when a quiz has been completed, you can click on See Work. This will open up a folder of work where, when you click on See File, you can mark it, add a comment, force hand in if it's not already been done so, set a redo if the closing date has not passed, see the raw scores, add assessment, and add a reward. By clicking on the square in the top left-hand corner of the submitted information, I can then go across the three dots and click on Mark. This will open up all the children's individual work, where I can see which questions they made mistakes on, and again add those assessments, rewards, and comments. When you click on Assessments, the national curriculum objectives you have added will appear. You can then decide whether a child is emerging, expected, or exceeding. This vocabulary can be personalised to your school by clicking on the Personalise button here. There is then a drop-down list of ones that we would recommend using, but you can also change it to the vocabulary of your school. Once you have added your assessment data, this will then be saved in the To-Dos folder, but it will also appear in the Data Dashboard. When you go to the Data Dashboard, click on Judgments and then click through until you come to the national curriculum objectives that you marked against. For any activities you've added national curriculum objectives to and assessed, it will give a colour-coded average for each of those pupils. You can also click on See File to see exactly which activity it is you have marked against. If an objective has been marked against on more than one occasion, the scores will show this variable. And again, when I click on that individual objective, I can click on See Files and it will tell me exactly where that assessment information has come from. You are also able to export this data into an Excel document to save locally in your computer system. If there is no data for an area, it means either objectives have not been added or marked against, or that is your area of focus moving forward. For further help and support on making, editing or changing quizzes within TwoQuiz, click on the film reel in the top right-hand corner, which will take you through to some short support videos. For further help with data, judgments, assessments and setting to-dos, click on Teachers, Professional Development and book yourself in for one of our one-to-one MASH chats.